Hi, in this video, I'll discuss about database, how we can create a database through the command as well as through the graphical user interface. So let's see, I have already covered the definition part of the database in previous video. Now I'm going to let you know practical approach, how we can create a table in different way. So here, I'm going to write down the command. So I'm just removing this. And now I want to create a database. Previously, I created database Udemy, and now I'm going to create database as a Udemy test. Okay, so write down here command create database, and database name is Udemy test. Okay, now run it, press F5. So see here, it's created. Now you are able to view this database, but here you are not getting any database name is Udemy test as of now. So how we can refresh this database? So you have to click on this databases, right click and refresh. Now you will be able to see the Udemy test database. Now I'm going to create one more database using graphical user interface. So how we can create? You have to put your pointer on database, right click and create new database. So click on new database. After that, you have to put down the name new database. So here I'm taking Udemy underscore test. Here I'm taking underscore. Okay. Now, no need to change anything here. You have to click on add. Now you have to click on OK. It's not mandatory you have to add here. Okay. You can remove this one. Now you have to click on OK. Okay. Now you will get Udemy test database. Okay. So this is a way to create Udemy database with the help of graphical user interface, with the help of direct query command. That's all for this video. Thank you so much.